Right. So, good day to all of you, and I will be making this video to show us our top-down analysis strategy together with moving averages and, of course, price action as well. So now, top-down analysis, I've explained it during our class, and then I have a recorded version of it. So we always send it. Of course, maybe I will still send it to the group, but I want you to pay attention and watch this. I want you to pay attention and watch this. Now, number one thing is that let me start with executing your trade for those that don't know how to execute trade. Now, let's assume that market is, Saturday or Sunday, there's no market. That's why this cell is white. It's looking like white. This cell is looking like white. This sell place and this buy place, can you see it? It's looking like white. Normal. If it is on Monday like this, you will see it. It will be, the color will be showing. You see the price will be moving, as in it will be showing, as in moving price. Everything will be showing. To be going up and down. So it's either you buy or you sell. Now this one 0.05. This is the loss side. The minimum lot you can use here is 0.01. That's the minimum. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, and so on and so forth, depending on your capital. Are we getting it now? Now, because of the nature of our capital, we are using $50. So I suggest that we use 0.02. For me, I'm going to be using 0.02 and 0.03. But most of the times, I'm going to be using 0.02. Now, so it means that anytime I call a trade and I say, after you have connected, I'm still going to teach you how to connect. I will do a separate video on how to connect your on how to connect your how to connect your account to MT5. Sure, you get it now. So, but before I do that one, now if you want to execute a trade, let's say I send to the group that we want to sell, or I just put to the group, I say sell Euro USD. Remember, this is Euro USD. This pair is Euro USD. Now, if I say sell Euro USD, if you open your MT5, this is MT5. Once you open your MT5, number one thing is that you will if you click this, look at this thing here at the top right corner. If you click it, it will bring out this thing so that you can enter your lot and then you can execute your trade, either buy or sell. Let me click it again. Now, this thing at the top right corner, can you see it? If you click it on your MT5, it will bring down buy and sell. What's it called? Buy and sell tab. Now, in that buy and sell tab, you'll be able to input your loss side, which is in the middle, 0.01, 0, any kind of lot. But because of the nature of our capital and because of our risk management strategy, we'll be using 0.02. Now, the first thing you are going to do is that if I say sell Euro USD, number one thing you come here is that you write 0.02. Then, if it is a sell trade, you click this. Pam. You see, market is closed. Can you see now? I click sell and I say, I will click it again. No, look at it. I've put my 0.02 as my loss side. Then you want to sell. You click sell. Look at it, says Euro USD says 0.02, market close. Can you see it? Now, if market is open, that's the first thing you're going to do. You'll be able to open your trade. Now, to set your stop loss, this is how to set your stop loss. If you click this guy, okay, sorry, to set your stop loss, it is when market is actually when market open. That's when I can actually show you how to set your stop loss and your take profit. So let's leave this, how to set your take profit and stop loss. Let's leave that till Monday. I will do a video on that. Then I will also do a video separately on how to connect your account to MT5. Your login details, I will show you how to connect it to your MT5. Are we getting it now? So that's about that. Now let's continue our analysis. Now I just want to teach you this analysis because top-down analysis is a game changer. One of the biggest forex trader in Africa, the person of Dapper Willis, He has been using top down analysis for the past 8 to 10 years now, and he has made a lot of money from the market, and that money has run into millions of dollars. I say it again, he has made millions of dollars by using top down analysis. I tell you, by using top down analysis. So that is what we want to implement. Now, the reason why I want to implement it is to actually come up with an effective trading system, and to also come up with a system whereby we can actually have a rest of mind. We don't want to approach the market with a gambling mentality. We don't want to approach the market with a get rich quick scheme mentality. We want to approach the market with a kind of mentality of, a kind of growth mentality, a kind of uh, yes, growth mentality. It was Dr. Willie that says, he said that you must grow your account, not double your account. You must learn to grow. I'm not quoting him directly now, but what I picked from him, from his statement, he said, you must, as a trader, you must be able to grow your account and not double your account. So that is that about that. Now, let's continue about top down analysis. Now, top down analysis, this is how it works. And for the fact that we want to start our trading challenge from Monday, this is how we are going to be doing it. Of course, you don't need to do it. You don't need to do analysis. All you need to wait for is a call on the group, sell or buy. But I'm showing you this for you to go to watch it, and then to go and practice how to do analysis on your own. And then as you do it again and again, maybe after 3 months, 6 months, after 1 year, then you'll be able to master it, and you can do analysis on your own, and then you even call a trade in our group. Are we getting it now? So the goal is to teach every one of us how to fish, not just to to kill fish and give us. No, the goal is to teach us how to fish for ourselves, and then even become a fish seller. You can sell it. Are you getting it now? So now, this is how you are going to be doing your analysis. You go to 4 hours time frame. Look at this. This is 4 hours time frame. Now, if you want to change your time frame, you can just click on your MT5. Just click anywhere. If you click anywhere, let me click it again. Click it again. Can you see? You see, this is 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, 1 day time frame, or daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. Can you see it? So if you click it again, it will go. If you click on your MT5, just click anywhere, it will bring it out. Can you see that? Now, we want to select a 4 hour time frame. Can you see H4? That's our 4 hour time frame. So H4 is our higher time frame, and then 15 minutes is our lower time frame. Now, we want to draw out our key zones and our key levels on 4 hour time frame, which happens to be our higher time frame. Are we getting it now? Now, number one thing you're going to do is that you will click anywhere on your MT5 screen. Now, look at this thing. This thing that looks like a grinding machine. If you understand Yoruba, to that be a lota, you get it. This thing that I'm highlighting, you click on that thing. Now, you can use, this is horizontal line. This is a slant line. This is vertical line. Vertical line, slant line, or forward slash line. Then this is a horizontal line. You get it? This is arrow line. Now, this what we want to use to draw our key zones and key levels. This is this horizontal line. Then you click on it. Are you getting it now? Then you click on anywhere on your MT5 to just do like this. Can you see? It will come out. It's just like a magic. Now, let's assume that I met market around this place. Let's assume that I met market around this place. This level. Let's assume that this is the point whereby market is moving. Okay, let me do something for you to understand. Now, let's assume that this is where the market, this is the current candle. Are we getting it now? Now, what I'm going to do is that I'll pull my, now I've been seeing multiple week rejection. The highest candle, or the opening, or let me see, just look at it like this. Can you see where I'm putting it? Or you can even make it above the arrow. Put your horizontal line above the arrow. That's the way we want to do it. Now, We are going to draw another horizontal line. Click on that thing there. So this one now, let me change the color. Let me change the color to maybe like let's say purple or something. Okay, let's use purple. Good. So then this color, I want to change this color too. I want to change it to let's say black. Okay, good. Now can you see it? This is the color black. Are we getting it now? Now we have two horizontal lines. Now this second line now, this second one now. Sorry, this is where I want to put my line. Remember, we assume that this is where we meet the market. The all these candles in the front, they have not printed. Are we getting it now? Now, what we are going to do, okay, let me do it like this. Okay, let's say this is where we meet the market. Are you getting it now? Now, we put it that in that place. Then, we are expecting this market, now that we are seeing multiple week rejections here, we are expecting this market at least to come to this is our prediction. Can you see it now? Because you must be able to predict the market. Whether you like it or not, you still have to predict. Your take profit may not be exactly where your prediction is, but it must be within your prediction. Are we getting it now? That's why we have to predict. Now, we are now going to draw a vertical line. This is our vertical line. You click on it. So this vertical line, let's say this is the current candle. This red candle is the current candle. Are we getting it now? Then you put it on that red candle. Now you have done that, right? Now, all we are after is that we want to sell. We want to sell, but we must have a confirmation before we sell. Have we gotten this now? Now, the first thing I did is that let me delete this thing. I will do it again because of people that did not pay attention before now. I want to delete everything I've done before. I will do it again. Can you see what I'm doing now? Now, I want to do it again. Now, you click on anywhere on your MT5. See this thing that looks like grinding machine. Like I said in Yoruba, Ero Ilota. Are you getting it now? You click on this. If you understand Yoruba, that's for you. Now you click on that thing. Then you click on horizontal line. You click on it. Then you just click on your MT5 again. It will bring that line. Now you are going to mark that line first at the highest, at the peak of that correct candle formation. And that correct candle formation, this is our proposed current candle formation. This one, this red one, that is having blue, blue arrowhead like this. Are you getting it now? Now, the second one, you are going to click that anywhere on your MT5 again. You click on that grinding machine. Then there is this horizontal line. Click on horizontal line again. Then where you are predicting the market to drop to before it will continue to move up. Now we are predicting this place. I'm predicting 12600. That is psychological level. Any level that end with 2 zeros, it is actually called psychological level. I say it again. Psychological level is a level that ends with 2 zeros. Are we getting it now? So 12600, 12300. That's psychological level. Now, it may not be exactly 12600. Anyway, it can even be up like this. It doesn't matter. So don't be confused. It can be here. It can be 125.96. Are you getting it now? So the reason why we put our second horizontal line is because we are like, okay, if we have seen multiple rejection at the top, at this top here, we can call this place a resistance or a supply zone. We have seen multiple weak rejection. Now, number one thing we are going to do is that, and we have seen a weak rejection here, even on that current candle that we want to track out. Now, let's say, okay, let's now draw our vertical line on that our candle. This is our candle now that I want to analyze on. Let's say that is the current candle print. It is the current candle print. Are we getting it now? Now, let's say this is the current candle print. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is that we will now go to 15-minute time frame. Remember, 15-minute time frame is to execute our trade and to wait for opportunity to sell. Are we getting it now? Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. All right, let's go to 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes. Okay, good. Now you will now go, but of course, this thing will have. So we have to go to where that black hair. This is 15-minute time frame. Are we getting it now? Now, can you see it now? This is our 15-minute time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, market is this candle is printed. This red candle is printed and printed and printed. Now, every time that I want to call a trade to the group or on the group, this is what I'm waiting for. If I'm looking for a sell trade, then it means that there must be a candle that will close below these moving averages. These moving averages is this line that crosses, that like a zigzag line. This line that crosses my what's it called, my candlestick. Can you see it? So now I want to sell now, but before I will click sell, I want to see a candle that prints below this line. Are you getting it now? It must print this. In fact, that's why you can always set it. I can just set it and say, oh yeah, sell. Anytime I see a candle that close below this thing, sell. Are you getting it now? Now, if I sell, if I wait, or I set my this thing to sell at this place, any candle that closes below this line, then I want to sell. Are you getting it now? Then if I say here, I want to set my take profit. I want to set my stop loss to be 100 pips away from here. Okay, now let me draw another horizontal line for you to see something. Let's say that I sell here. Look at this black line now. Let's say that I sell here. I want to sell at 1.13375. 1.13375. That's where I want to sell. And I can even set it. I can set it that once market get there, sell for me. Now it means that I want to set my I want to set my stop loss 100 pips away from my entry. Now this black is my entry. Are you getting it now? This place is my entry. Are you getting it now? 1.133.75. So I want to set my let me use crosshair. I want to set my, what's it called? I want to set my stop loss 100 pips away from here, so as to maintain at least a good, that's another strategy for a good risk management. Are you getting it now? Now, if I am having 1.13379, then it means that my stop loss will be around 1.13479. 13479. 13479, around this place. So let me quickly draw another line for our stop loss. So I will tag this stop loss. I will mark it as okay, let's say blue. Are we getting it now? Now this blue line, now you don't need all this thing when you are doing your this thing, no, but it's for analysis alone. It's not necessary for execution of trade, but it's for analysis. All right, now let's see, this is where I put my stop loss. I put my stop loss here. Are we getting it now? Then I am targeting ratio what? I'm risking 100 pips to make 200 pips, right? Now if I enter at 1.3379, then it means that I want to catch 200 pips below it, right? So it means that 13379, 13279, 13179. Let's see. Can you see it? This is where your take profit is. This place. TrendyBeats.com. 13179. Around this place. Around this place. Are you getting it now? Are we getting it now? So this is your take profit. After your take profit, can you see what market is doing now? Market is trying to go up and still fall again, but you will have come out. You will have taken your profit before market misbehave. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Now, market is still going down. Market is still going down if you can wait. Market is still going down. But can you see that market is still going down? Can you see that market is still going down? So, but the most important thing is that you must be able to target at least a reasonable risk to reward ratio. You can even re-enter. For example, now if you have if your take profit hit here, then you can still wait for the market again to consolidate. Like this one now, we have 1, 2, then 3. Here, you can enter again here, and then put your stop loss away. Let's say you enter here, then look at where your stop loss is. Then it means that you will still catch like 200 pips again on the same day. Imagine, can you see that now? So that's how about that. So I will do a different video entirely on how to connect your account to your MT5. And then on Monday, I'm going to make a video on how to set your take profit and your stop loss. Because today market is closed. You cannot set your take profit and your stop loss whenever market is closed. Are we getting it now? Thanks so much. Join our weekly class Thursday and Friday, and then our practical class Saturday. Let me propose it now. That's Saturday. All right. Then that's all about that. Thank you.